Okay, guys, this is the next project. I know you guys have seen these outfits trending all over the Lovely Wholesaler. So this is going to be the jacket, guys. And if you guys see, I took my bias and just added length all the way down to it. And the same thing with the back. I put it on a fold. So this is one piece, guys. I'm going to make the sleeves, the crop top, and then the leggings. But that's the shape you need to make the long jacket. All right. Okay, guys, so here's all the pieces. These is your two pants on the fold. That is the tube top, guys. This is the jacket. All pent. These two pieces go and you do a right size together to give it a good structure. And then this is going to be the bias that's going to go around the neck. And those is going to be the sleeve, guys. So, guys, sorry that I'm breaking it up and putting this into different videos. My phone keeps saying out of storage. So those will be all the pieces you need. The last and final video will be with me having it on, but I'm not going to be able to combine it together because I'm out of space. But you're going to need two for the pants leg, and I cut it on the fold, the tube top, guys. And then remember, take your bias top and you guys can add the length you want. Alrighty, guys, I'll show you guys the final project when it's completed. Bye-bye.